Hi, how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video, Batman, what are we making today?
I don't know.
Asparagus roll-ups. They're my nan's favourite thing to make, and they're a great appetizer to impress your guests. So let's go and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, I have the ingredients in front of me. I have some bread that I've cut the crusts off. I have some avocado here. I have some asparagus out of a can. You could use fresh asparagus, but I like asparagus out of a can. I've got some toothpicks. I have some parmesan cheese and some cheese spread. And I also have some margarine to butter the bread. Okay, so first off we're going to butter the bread. And then I'm going to sprinkle some parmesan cheese on the outside first. So let's do that, Lando. Would you like to butter the bread?
I took my costume off because it was too hot, Mommy.
Oh, okay.
Can I?
Okay, you can sprinkle the parmesan cheese on the outside.
I want to know.
Okay, sprinkle the cheese.
Okay.
Sprinkle it on the... I'll hold the plate and you sprinkle it on. Just sprinkle like this. All over the bread. So it sticks to the butter that you've just put on there. Oh, hi Nan, if you're watching. Lando's helping me today in my video. Okay. So we've done that. Great.
Mommy, can I do the avocado?
Yes, you can. Okay. So now we're going to turn the bread over. And I'm going to put avocado first. And then I'm going to put the cheese spread and then the asparagus. So Lando, would you like to put some avocado on the bread?
I like the avocado clean.
No, don't lick it. Just eat up. No, don't eat. Sorry. I mean, spread it on the Put it on the sandwich. Spread it around. Good boy. That's it. Put a little bit on each piece of bread. Next one. Yep. Spread it over. Good job, Lando.
Right.
And some on the last one?
Mommy.
Yes.
The avocado is kind of sticky.
Okay. Let me help you with the spreading.
I spread it all over.
Good job. So we spread it out.
Someone smells like smoke.
It's probably the oven.
Oh, okay. Mommy.
What?
Salt is made out of fire and also molten.
Molten.
Yeah, and it goes into hot.
Okay. So now we're going to put the cheese spread over top of the avocado.
One asparagus on the bread.
Okay, go for it, Lando.
Okay. I'll put it on this one.
Yep.
Now put this one on this one.
Yep.
Yuck.
I love it. asparagus. Okay. Now we are going to roll them up.
Okay.
And we are going to grill them in the oven.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to roll them up and put toothpicks through the middle.
I got my action figures. When you're finished.
Yeah. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to grill them, and when they're grilled on one side, I'm just going to turn them and grill them on the other side. How easy was that, guys? I'm going to give it a taste and let you know how they taste. So why don't you give it a go? Okay, so here's the delicious morsel that my nan really recommends that I make. So that's why I gave it a shot. I'm going to taste it and let you know how it goes. Mmm. Oh my god. Delicious. Oozing out with cream cheese. Mmm. Yum. Thanks, Nan, for the recipe. So why don't you give it a go? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers! And I'll continue eating this. Bye! Mmm. Yum. Delicious. Mmm.